In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two Microsoft PowerPoint presentation 2025. We'll be working in the browser using Microsoft 365 because it's quick and everything saves to the cloud. Start by signing into your Outlook account in your web browser. From there, look to the left sidebar or the app launcher and choose PowerPoint. This opens PowerPoint on the web with your recent files. If the file you need isn't visible, scroll down your list and click Show All Presentations to browse everything in your OneDrive, including older items and files shared with you. Next, open the two presentations you want to merge. Keeping them in separate tabs is easiest, but you can also place them side by side if you like. Decide which one is your main deck and which one is your source deck. Go to the source deck first. In the slide thumbnail pane on the left, select the slides you want to move. To select everything, use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. If you only need specific slides, hold Ctrl or Command and click each slide thumbnail to multi-select. Take a second to confirm you've got the right slides, then copy with Ctrl+C or Command+C. Switch to your main deck. Click in the thumbnail pane to choose exactly where the incoming slides should go, but a good rule is to click the slide after which you want the new slides inserted. The paste will place them right below that point. Now paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. If you paste in the wrong place, don't worry. Press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo, click the correct spot, and paste again. PowerPoint on the web will insert the slides immediately. By default, they generally match the destination theme so the design stays consistent. If you prefer the original look, check for the small paste options icon that appears right after you paste and choose the option to keep source formatting. That's optional but helpful when the two decks use very different styles. Review the combined deck. Drag slides in the thumbnail pane to fine-tune the order, remove duplicates like extra title pages, and skim transitions and fonts to make sure everything is readable and on brand. Saves happen automatically in the browser. Wait for the saved indicator before closing your tabs to be safe. And that's it. You signed in, opened both presentations, selected the slides you wanted, copied them, chose the exact insertion point, pasted, and confirmed the visuals blended smoothly. You now know the fastest way to combine two PowerPoint presentations on the web in 2025.